Bluetooth on Windows 11 allows to quick connect an extensive area of wireless device to your computer. However, while device should automatically reconnect when they are in range, Bluetooth is not perfect and sometimes you will come across connectivity problem. If you are having issue connecting a Bluetooth device to your computer, in this guide you will learn the step to fix many of the connection problem with the Bluetooth device on Windows 11. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Bluetooth connection problem on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Right click Start button, then select Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth branch. Right click the Bluetooth adapter and select the Update Driver option. Click the Search automatically for updated driver. If the operating system can't find any new driver, you can visit your computer manufacturer's website to download the latest driver and instruction to complete this task. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.